For a newbie to Nebraska like me, a rite of passage for anyone in the ag scene is the Husker Harvest Days show. Now, the annual event has been going on for over 40 years and gives producers a look at the latest in equipment, supplies, and technology that's going on in farming today. Now, this year, attendees got to see over $7 million in improvements to the site, and organizers say it's a fresh start that's long overdue. Market Journal's Maddie McIntosh has this report.
It's billed as the world's largest totally irrigated working farm show, spanning roughly 700 acres and including hundreds of vendors and numerous farm demos. Each of the 100,000 people in attendance can find something to pique their interest.
So Husker Harvest Days is primarily a trade show where people that produce our food, fiber, and fuel come to learn about what's new in their industries, whether it's new services, products, things that they will take home to their operation to implement to make themselves more efficient.
Unlike previous years, this edition of Husker Harvest Days has the proverbial fresh coat of paint. $7.5 million in improvements greeted guests as soon as they walked through the entrance.
Typically, the thing that makes the show fresh and new is what the exhibitors bring, and that's the case this year. But also, with the infrastructure improvements, concrete roads, storm sewer drainage, new restrooms, new lighting, new internet distribution, new electrical distribution, the show site's just kind of had a complete rebuild.
Still, as Husker Harvest Days aims to stand out in the sea of ag shows, the features that make it so popular remain unchanged.
The thing that makes the show special is how interactive it is. There are cattle handling demonstrations, there's wild horse gentling, there's combining demonstrations, tillage demonstrations, ride and drives, strip till activities, just a lot of activity in addition to all the static exhibits that folks like to see.
And through, it's uniquely Nebraska.
Well, agriculture is very important in Nebraska, and this reflects Western Corn Belt agriculture. So it's heavy on irrigated row crop, it's heavy on livestock activities. So it's for them. And then for central Nebraska, Hall County, and the surrounding Tri-City area, it packs the hotel rooms for weeks in advance of the show, during the show, and then through the cleanup process as well.
Reporting for Market Journal, I'm Maddie McIntosh.